As concerns about scammers exploiting the demand for housing and investment opportunities increase, the chairman of the Real Estate Board, Andrew James, is this evening encouraging prospective renters and buyers to be vigilant in their property dealings. As you'll hear in this report, the issue has left some Jamaicans counting their losses. The promise of securing a dream home or rental property in Jamaica has ended in disappointment and financial losses for some in recent times.
All want for moving and every time I tell them I put it off and so we get through to the owner. And that's so we get to understand what I go on. So you see when I rent place, guys, we want to make sure say watch out and be vigilant because people are wicked. I know when they get back with money. Reports of fraudulent property listings, unauthorized agents, and rental scams have again shed light on the risk of navigating Jamaica's real estate market. It's against that backdrop, Chairman of the Real Estate Board, Andrew James, issued this warning.
You see, sometimes something is too good to be true, and because it's too good to be true, you end up doing the wrong thing. And that's why we're saying, follow the process. There's a procedure. Speaking with our news team at the Thorpex Investment Conference this week, Mr. James, while highlighting some of the trends being used by scammers, encouraged prospective tenants and buyers to verify the credentials of individuals advertising or facilitating the transaction. If you're going to do a real estate transaction, consult the real estate board first to confirm that the person you're doing real estate with is in fact a licensed real estate practitioner. So you can put in their name and it can tell you if in fact this person, a picture will come up and you can basically match that picture with the person you're doing business with. Realtor Sandy Tatham echoed those sentiments and stressed the importance of clients doing their due diligence.
I know a lot of people are using AI and these platforms nowadays. Nothing substitutes for a realtor that's local and knows exactly what the clock is strike right there in that area.
As the real estate market continues to attract interest both locally and overseas, the chairman of the Real Estate Board maintains vigilance and verification remains critical safeguards for consumers. You make a complaint to the real estate board, or inspectors will investigate the matter, and if it need now to go over to the JCF, then of course the JCF will step in, and if arrest needs to be made, then arrest will be made.